your burps smell.
Pettit, I don't understand why you're making toast.
Explain it, please. Because it doesn't make sense. If you have bad breath...
Why are you making toast?
What are you doing?
He's trying to take a picture of me.
No, he's not.
I'm not going to take a picture of you, I
breath,
promise.
Why would you make toast?
Because
P.S. What are you doing now?
taking up the caps.
Why?
I don't understand you.
Okay, why does making toast cure bad breath, first of all? Second of all, you don't have bad breath, you have bad burps.
Same difference.
No, it's not. When you burp, it smells, and your breathe doesn't. Just eat the toast raw. You don't need to toast it. Just make bread.
I unplugged the toaster, so it's not even going to make toast.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I just plugged it in
Pettit, what are you doing?
and turned it on.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Making toast.
Why are you making fucking toast?
I don't understand what you're doing.
Seriously making toast.
Why are you taking a video of me?
I'm not taking a video of you. I'm waiting for the perfect picture.
I just want to know what you're doing.
I'm waiting.